Hey guys, Michelle Kinney here. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for checking out my video. I'm gonna make a really good video. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna make a video with actionable strategy for Monday. So check it out. I've been talking about Intel for a while. It's been like super undervalued in my view, and it's popped up a lot since. But here's the thing, highs go higher and lows go lower. Keep that in mind. Here's an idea for Monday. You can literally buy 100 shares of Intel. Now, Intel's a great company. They're not gonna go out of business. I mean, there's always gonna be like maybe some sort of risk. Maybe it might happen, but the likelihood of that happening is very small. Me, I'm comfortable buying Intel. So let's say I buy 100 shares of Intel. It's very cheap. So right now it's $24.56 per share. Okay, I'm gonna round it off. I spend $2,500. Let's say you don't even use margin. You just buy 100 shares, $2,500. The $25 call expiring on Friday is going for about $77 is where it closed at, right? Here's what that means, guys. I buy 100 shares now. I sell a call right after I buy the shares. And I'm committing to sell my shares if it reaches 25 or higher. So here's the thing. I'm gonna buy 100 shares at $24.50, let's say. I'm gonna use round numbers. And then I'm gonna sell a $25 call. So some people might be like, well, why would you wanna do that? You only make 50 cents per share, whatever. I don't really care that much about how much I make per share, although it's always obviously nice. What I care about is realized gain from the premium, from the option contract that I'm selling, right? So I'm selling this contract for 77 bucks. Now, $77 doesn't sound like a lot of money. However, here's the thing. First of all, you can do it in, 100 lots, 200 lots, 300 lots, number one. You don't have to only do 100. Secondly, you want to look at rate of return. I'm putting up 2,500, not even using margin. So worst case scenario, if that stock, let's say, went bankrupt, I would lose $2,500. So the risk is very minimal in my view. I'm making $77 for that 1 week, right? If you annualize that out, if you calculate that, here's how you do it. And I have calculators that could do it electronically, like automatically for you, but you could just do it old school, like just get your phone, right? $77 divided by 2,500 is 3%, right? But you're making 3% for the week. If you annualize that out times 52, you're making 160% on your money. I mean, I'm telling you, so here's the thing, guys. Like when you aim for trades like this, making 160% or 200% or whatever, I always say aim for the star, aim for the moon, hit the stars. That's what I say, right? Here's what that means. I'm just gonna use round numbers. If you're making 160 or 150% annualized per year, you start your account with 5,000 bucks as an example, you're gonna make like $7,500 a year off of that. But block that into 52 weeks, right? So let's say 7,500 divided by 52, it's gonna give you another 144 bucks on average, approximately per week. Now, is that guaranteed? Is it like black and white? No, I'm just giving you rough ideas. People ask me a lot, Michelle, how much money can I make? What do you think is reasonable? Somebody messaged me the other day. They said, oh, do you really think I can make 100% per year? Fuck yeah, you can. I just showed you how. Anyway, that's a cool trade for Monday. I'm gonna do this trade myself. Buy 100 shares of Intel, sell a call at the money, and if it gets called away on Friday, that's cool. You make your 77 bucks. If it doesn't and the stock goes down, who cares? That's cool too, because the following week I'm gonna sell another call. It's all good. So these are very easy strategies that you can replicate. Hit me up in the comments. Do you think this stuff is easy? Do you think it's hard? Does it sound like you have to be a mathematics wizard to be able to be good at this? No. Does it sound like you need a lot of experience in stocks? No. Just pick the same stocks over and over again. I do the same stocks. Intel, MicroStrategy, Tesla. Just do the same stocks over and over again, and you can make these kinds of, I don't want to say returns, because it's not about getting like a return. It's about creating cash flow for yourself. Cash flow, spendable money, cash in your pocket that you can use, that you can spend with, I don't know, you can do whatever you want with it. Me, I spend it on the people that are important to me. I'm gonna go have some nice steak dinner and probably spend like, I don't know, maybe with my daughter, maybe 300 bucks tonight. So I'm just gonna have my options pay for that. You can do the same thing. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you want to know more, next week, not this coming week, but the following week, I'm going to do Lunch and Learn live 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday. I'm telling you, you don't need any experience. It's specifically geared toward beginners, and you will leave knowing how to do these kinds of trades that I'm talking about. Anyway, hope that helps. Happy trading.